Megha, Chitwan, Juhi, you're lucky that the previous challenge was not an elimination challenge. Your journey at Fempuris is still on.
However, to move ahead, you have to squeeze your way through.
You have to tom-tom your juicing skills in order to survive.
When life gives you tomatoes, you make some juice of it. Ladies, welcome to the 10-minute Tomatina tightrope.
Chitwan, Juhi, Megha, you have at least 10 kilos of tomatoes on your tables. You have to squeeze and make juice out of it. You must carry the juice in your t-shirts and fill the beakers kept on the tables on the other side.
The juice.
That's right.
I was actually glad that there was a task or one element planned where we were not being judged on our skills only, our cooking skills only.
We don't want any lumps or pieces. It just has to be pure tomato juice.
The person with the most juice in the beaker after 10 minutes will be safe and coasting. The two of you who lose out and are unable to match up to the quantity of the winner will be one step closer to being burnt. However, it's a fun task. And we have your friends to cheer for you.
Ladies, Living Foods does not endorse any food wastage, which is why these tomatoes are 4 days old and completely in an unusable condition. Just thought we'd let you know.
So we thought that this was going to be the elimination task. And it's really awesome that it's not and that we actually still have even one more chance after this. More than that, I think it's just a super fun task and a super fun way to use up old tomatoes. And no wastage is something that I'm all for. So I'm really excited about this task.
So after I heard what the task was going to be, I was a bit relieved because it sounded fun. And at that point, I just wanted to have fun.
Good luck. Here we go.
Woo! Come on! We had to take those rotten tomatoes, smash them with our hands, put it in our t-shirts and take it across to puree them without any pulp or big pieces of the tomato.
Yeah, squish them hard, yeah. Use both hands, nice. Good going, Joey, good going, Joey. Straight it on the bowl.
Well done, Juhi!
Nice.
You're going good!
Good, Juhi.
Good, Megha!
Good.
I was the one who was supporting Megha because I knew I wanted her to be safe.
Girls, 4 minutes up. You only have 6 minutes.
Chitwan and Juhi is real close.
10 minutes looked like a lot, but when we actually got to it and we thought about it, it wasn't enough possibly to fill that jar.
All right, Chitwan, you are 50 ml ahead of Juhi, 50 milliliters. Juhi, you need to catch up.
And don't waste the pulp, Juhi. Use the pulp. The pulp has got the juices.
Megha, go for it. Go, Megha. Go, Megha.
Go, Megha!
It was fun. We used little leaves as little pom-poms. We were like, yay, come on, squish it harder, go for some more, go back, run back, you're almost there. Come on, Megha, come on, Chitwan, come on, Juhi. It was to and fro, but it was so much fun, and we were like, yeah.
Go, Juhi, run, run, run!
Go, Juhi.
Don't waste
A lot
those
of juices
juices.
are falling off.
Juhi, you're 50 ml behind. You're 50 ml behind. Go, squeeze it hard.
Megha!
Don't break the beaker.
Yeah, don't drop the
Chitwan,
beaker. Be careful.
good job, good job. You're 50 ml ahead. Megha, you need to squeeze more, catch up.
Don't waste this, okay? Just try
Go,
and squeeze
go,
as much.
Chitwan,
It's
go.
going to be easier to put your weight on this. than
All right,
this.
now Juhi is 50 ml ahead.
Oh my God.
Juhi is at 150 ml now. Chitwan, you gotta amp up.
I started to squish my tomatoes. Both Chitwan and Megha was sort of struggling with how they wanted to go for the tomatoes.
2 minutes left.
I specifically picked up the most rotten tomatoes out of the lot, even though they were stinking, because those were easier to squish and had more juice in it. So I picked up the rotten tomatoes, started to squish as many tomatoes in one go. I toppled the bowl and I ran. And once I got there, I squished as much from the t-shirt. In the first go, I didn't have to use the strainer because the t-shirt was still clean.
Come
You're
on,
dropping
Be
your
careful,
hand.
Juhi.
Drop it.
Be careful, don't spill. If you spill the beaker very close to finishing, it does not count as an effort, Juhi. Be
Use
very
your
careful.
thumb,
Chitwan, Megha, do not spill.
Careful.
So the last 2 minutes, I did not make any run. I just stood there, the tomatoes left on the table, had left a lot of juice, kept picking it up, kept straining those, and that, I think, worked in my favor.
Ladies, last 10 seconds of the 10-minute Tomatina tightrope, and here we go. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's been a tumultuous 10-minute Tomatina task. I'm proud of myself when I say that, but now is the time to see, measure, and announce the winners. Can we have your beakers, please? But before we go ahead, I have to say this. The three of us thank you for being such an awesome sport. You guys made our day. You had so much fun. We really, really enjoyed it. And I think all of you, a big round of applause. All of you deserve a big round of applause. Thank you. After all fun and games, there's only one winner. But before we do that, let's check for and lumps. Oops. All right, let's measure it. Megha.
Megha, you have about 1,700 ml.
Juhi, you have, it's a 2-liter measuring jug, and you're at least 200 ml over it. So 2,200 ml approximately.
So Chitwan, you've got about 1,900 ml.
Ooh, closer than it seems, huh? Well, tomatoes don't lie. So Juhi is the unanimous winner of the 10-minute Tomatina. Moral of the story, Juhi is safe and coasting, and she can now join her other friends. Chitwan, Megha, one of you is one step closer to the finale week, and one of you is one step closer to being burnt. We will see you soon at the task. Take care.